Truth is, once you get deep down to the Apple ecosystem, you kinda get stuck and you want more upgraded devices. And the hype keeps increasing with each leaked news about the upcoming device. Now, according to various reports, iPhone 14 is likely on its way in the near future. This upcoming phone is rumored to feature an improved camera system, redesigned notch, and the latest chipset. But don't be surprised if we say you should not be waiting for the brand new iPhone 14. Why is that? Let's find out in our video today. The first reason why you probably should not upgrade is due to the display quality. As you might already know, iPhone 13 already has an outstanding display, and we don't think that iPhone 14 will have an upgraded display than its predecessor. If you're somebody who loves high refresh rate, iPhone 13 Pro and Pro Max already have the ProMotion that supports up to 120Hz. Also, it's an LTPO display which enables ProMotion's ability to dial screen refresh rates between 10Hz and 120Hz. Plus, we really don't think Apple is going to provide more than that in iPhone 14. Besides, the standard version will have the same 60Hz refresh rate. However, it would have been great if Apple added the updated panel to the iPhone 14 standard model to deliver up to a 120Hz refresh rate. The next reason not to wait is the camera system. Well, not gonna lie, iPhone 13 lineup has the best camera system that we have ever seen on any smartphone, and they deliver outstanding photos and videos that are close to professional camera quality. However, iPhone 14 series is rumored to come with a 48-megapixel camera. Yep, 48 megapixel. Which brings us to the question, like, why should you wait for it? Okay, so let's make it clear. So, when a camera has a larger sensor and a wider open aperture, it means the camera will deliver better image quality, and the iPhone 13 has both of them. Even the iPhone 13 standard version has a larger sensor and wide-angle camera than iPhone 12 Pro Max. So, what about the iPhone 14? According to various news, Apple might not be going to include a larger sensor in iPhone 14. Also, we've been hearing rumors that the 48-megapixel camera will be only exclusive to iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max. In short, why should you wait for the standard iPhone 14 if it's not getting the 48-megapixel camera system, right? Another reason is the chipset. Yes, we know that every new iPhone generation tends to introduce a new chipset, and this year is no different. But there are some changes to the plan. You might already know that Apple is planning to keep the same chipset on the iPhone 14 that iPhone 13 already has, which is Bionic A15. This chipset is the world's fastest smartphone chip till now. However, Apple might introduce the Bionic A16 chip, which will be available only on iPhone 14 Pro. So, if you're getting the same chipset in the standard iPhone 14 model, then staying on the 13 lineup might be a worthy idea when you think about it. Nevertheless, for the first time, Apple is going to completely redesign the notch, which is one of the main key features of an iPhone, cause anyone can tell this is an iPhone by looking at its notch. But in terms of the upcoming iPhone 14, it will be different. Numerous reports say that there will be a pill-shaped notch and a punch-hole selfie camera side by side, so you might be asking, if changing the notch design is on the good side, then why people should not wait for the iPhone 14? The answer is simple. The newly redesigned notch is rumored to be coming with only the Pro version. We mean iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max will have the new notch, and the standard version will have the same design. So if you already own the iPhone 13 Pro or Pro Max, then staying on it might be a good idea. Overall, iPhone 14 might bring some new features, including an improved camera, a new chipset, and redesigned notch. But various reports say that these features are only for the Pro variant, so if you have an iPhone 13 and waiting to buy the upcoming iPhone 14 standard version, the only thing we can say is don't wait for it. But if you're using an iPhone 11 or a previous model and looking to upgrade, then you can definitely wait. So, what are your thoughts on the new iPhone 14 lineup, and are you waiting for it? We would love to hear from you. Please let us know in the comment section below, and as always, thanks for watching our video. Like and share with your friends if you found this video to be helpful, and subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.